You sit alone, feeling like the world has moved on without you. You have whispered your hopes, prayed for guidance, and waited for answers that never seem to come. Maybe you think your voice is lost, your dreams invisible. But what if I told you right now, Allah has sent a dua just for you, a prayer meant to reach your heart at the exact moment you need it. Feel this dua deeply. O Allah, guide my heart to what is best for me, grant me patience in my trials, open doors that are hidden from me, and bless me with what I cannot yet see. Protect me from harm, strengthen my faith, and fill my heart with hope and trust in your plan. Right now, you might be facing struggles that feel impossible. Every step seems heavier than the last, and the future feels uncertain. You watch others succeed and wonder why your efforts seem unseen. That feeling of being stuck is not a punishment. It is preparation. Every tear, every restless night, every doubt is shaping you, teaching patience, and building a heart ready to receive the blessings you cannot yet imagine. That dua is a reminder that you are seen, your struggles matter, and relief is already on its way, even if it feels hidden. Sometimes, answers arrive when you least expect them. A kind word, a sudden opportunity, a thought that sparks clarity. The prayer sent for you may come quietly, without announcement, but it will arrive at the perfect time. You may not notice it at first, but when it comes, it will fit your life exactly as it should. Every trial you face is preparing you for something greater. Life may not bend the way you want, but it bends the way Allah knows you need. Your hidden prayers are shaping your path. You are never alone in your struggles, never invisible in your seeking. That quiet duo is with you, holding your hand, reminding you to trust, even when nothing seems to happen. Open your heart, stay patient, and trust the timing of Allah. Watch how life unfolds in ways that feel miraculous yet perfectly natural. That prayer is your shield, your lifeline, your quiet source of hope in the darkest moments. It is closer than you think, and it is coming exactly when you need it. If this message touched your heart, share it with someone who needs hope today. Like this video to spread this reminder, and subscribe to continue receiving messages that inspire, uplift, and remind you that Allah's care is always closer than you imagine.